Hi everyone, it's JC here with another video for you. I am here in the evening on my pajamas having a lovely cup of tea when the bell went off, and it was the postman, and they just delivered something I had ordered. And this is the Smallrig. Look at that. It's the Smallrig quick release neck support. It seems like I'm 1,000 years late for something like this, but as an owner of a Action Osmo 4, yes, I still have the Action 4. I haven't upgraded to the 5 nor even to the 6 yet because this camera is amazing and it still works fine for me. So for the first time, I actually decided that I wanted to have a rig like this to help me when I am, for instance, in a place like, I don't know, an amusement park, and I want just to, be free to walk around and have my camera here with a special POV. I thought that this would be a great idea and a great accessory for me. So free your dream, quick release neck support, and we are going to open it together. So it comes very well packed. As you can see, okay, in the box we have, what is this? We are here for you. Okay, this is just a little folder from Smallrig. And then it comes very well packed. Oh, okay, and it comes in a little pouch. I don't think I'm gonna be needing this, but let's see this thing. Oh my gosh, wait a minute. What is, okay, this is the screw for you to attach the camera. And, this is quite malleable. Look at that. I don't know what kind of material this is, but it's kind of rubbery. Very good quality, but I think it has some kind of wire inside because you can actually shape it any way you want. And here you have the attachment for the camera. Okay, how do you take this? Oh, okay, so this is magnetic. Look at this. This is magnetic and it has two little buttons here. So you attach it like this. Oh, and there you go. And whenever you need to release it, you just push these two buttons and it comes off. Oh, okay. And in order to for you to hang it around your neck, I don't think you can put it like that. No. Oh, it almost fits. But there is a little button here in the back, as you can see. You push it and it releases. Okay, so you're supposed to put it like this. And, okay, so I have to be careful with my microphone. So this is what it looks like when it's hanging on your neck. And then we're gonna get my camera right here and we can attach it like so. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I'm supposed to, actually, I'm being a little bit stupid. This is why you have this thing that releases. So you just release it, attach the camera. Oh my God. I'm so sorry, but we live and learn. So you can actually leave it on the camera, and now when you need to attach, you just go like this. Oh, and there you go. Look at me. Carry my GoPro. Oh my gosh, I committed a crime. Carry my Osmo Action, and I am hands-free and I can actually walk around and start filming. This is really amazing. And then when I want to record with my hands, I just pull it. Oh, wow. This is so handy. And I usually have this lanyard here and the case because I really don't want to run the risk of actually dropping it. So there you go. You already have it free. And then when you need to have a POV, especially if you're going on the roller coaster. Ooh, I love that, because I am planning to go to one park. I'm not going to tell you right now because it's too early, but I mean, I already bought this thing thinking about something like that. And then I just attach it here. And there you go. I love this. So I'm going to do some tests with this in the park to see how the image comes off, because I've never worn something like this, but I think this is something very nice, a very good accessory for you, of course, depending on what you want to do. So let's take this off. Very easy. Look at that. It attaches very easy to you. And then if you want to carry it, you just do it like this. Look at that. And then you turn it and it becomes very small. And then you can just put inside the pouch and you're ready to go. Look at that. There you go. I love this. So this was a very quick look at the quick release neck support by Smallrig. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Now, let me just continue with my tea, and you have a fabulous night. Bye!